Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 7th of September, Tuesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit today. Today we have a beautiful analysis, amazing volatility, and most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I did today and the best trade of the day. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in my previous analysis, if you haven't seen my video, link is given in the video description. I explained to my trader that look at this price action here. The price broke on this previous high, and after that price could not maintain this level. So we need a confirmation if the price really want to come down. So we have this breakout. After the breakout, this is the pullback. So we already had this short trade yesterday, and we were looking this pullback, So we were expecting a pullback short trade here, and today we had a medium impact news for the euro that was also negative. That also give us the significant information, basically coordinate with our price action, and we had a beautiful short trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze an intraday and refine entries and help my traders to squeeze few pips. So as you can see here, yesterday we had this breakout short trade, and I did this analysis at the Asian session and explained to my trader, look for pullback. Price broke on this level, so we're looking at pullback. So you can see here we had a couple of pullbacks. I explained to my trader, if you miss it, you can rejoin it on every pullback, because we mainly interested a short trade here, as explained to you in 4 hour. As you can see here, price nicely respected here. So I also did analysis this morning, and you can see here symmetric triangle pattern developed. Based on that, price nicely broken. As you can see here, beautiful short trade here. Explain my traders to bank some profit. And at the New York session, I explained to my trader, look only pullbacks. Based on the momentum, we have a reason. We have a price action in 4 hour. That's also give us the information, look for short. We have another beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as always, we have another beautiful pullback short trade. So we really enjoyed it, bank beautiful pips on EURUSD. Let me share with you guys on pound dollar. And pound dollar, if you look at here, if you look at the 4 hour chart, as you can see here today, that when the price respected here, if you look at here, the price develop another head and shoulder pattern, and explain to my trader as exactly the same price action. If you look at here, the price broken in EURUSD, broken here after the breakout retest. If the retest after this candle, we have a confirmation, and that's what we explain my trader. Just keep taking a pullback short trade here. As if the price gonna break the previous low, we just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we had a beautiful short trade, and let me share with you guys how I analyze this here, this level in intraday, and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. If you look at the intraday analysis, let me share with you guys here. Okay, so this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. Explain to my trader, look for pullback as long as the momentum is bearish, the hair pullback, and if the price is going to break this previous high, but we need a confirmation. If the price break, retest, give us the confirmation, then we're looking long. Otherwise, the first priority always be pullback short trade here based on the high time frame. As you can see here, price literally broken, but you can see it did not develop pullback, and that's the good information. And you can see here, price nicely respected, and that's what I explained to my trader. Just keep taking a short trade here. Otherwise, we're only going to look for long if the price is going to give us the confirmation. So we had a short trade here, and afterwards, as you can see here, price developed another channel here, and this is the London morning session. I explained to my trader through live analysis, if the price is going to respect this level, then we just keep looking a short trade here. We can see here price is in downside channel. Every time when the price come at the top, just keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, the short trade here, if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, so we have taken here, and we have, based on this analysis, we have another breakout short trade here and another pullback short trade. So we had a beautiful short trades at the London morning session, amazing profit. And at the New York session, as always, as long as the momentum is bearish, we are looking a pullback. This is the channel was broken. I explained to my trader, look for another pullback at this level. We have this breakout. After the breakout, pullback short. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. Beautiful profit. We were short based on the 4-hour analysis. I refine entries and exit in intraday, and most of my traders enjoying pipping in live. And dollar CAD, we had a very interesting trade. Okay, so let me share with you guys the profit target nicely hit. If I show you here, from yesterday we were long, and I explained to my trader, look for price broken after the breakout. What we're looking here after the breakout, looking at pullback. It's price nicely developed pullback, so we were long whole day, and our target was this level. Yeah, so previously we were looking this breakout, which is price broken. We had a nice short trade last week, and this week we are long and bank beautiful pips, and that was our first target, which is the previous high, and price nicely hit and bank beautiful pips. Now I'm going to show you all the intraday analysis, how I refine entry at this level and help my traders to bank amazing profit on dollar CAD. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Okay, so if you look at this analysis, I also mentioned in yesterday analysis that we are price develop a head and shoulder pattern, and I said to you guys, you can see my previous analysis, we're only going to consider this head and shoulder if the price is going to break the previous low. Otherwise, still possibility of long. So what happened here, that's what we explained to my trader, look for this. So as you can see here, price nicely developed a double top at the support, double bottom, sorry, at the support level. Momentum was bullish, and that's why we explained to trader, just keep taking a long trade here, because in 4 hour, you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback. So pullback, and I just explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So this is the analysis I did for the Asian session, just to make sure my traders can squeeze beautiful pips. At the London morning session, you can see we already had this pullback breakout, and I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. What happened here, you can see here exactly, this is the previous high is broken, this is the previous high, and that's the level we are looking at pullback. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. For our analysis was also supporting to go long. So one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback, and this is our first target, this is our final target. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the final target based on the morning analysis, bank beautiful pips on the dollar CAD. And at the New York session, I always tell trader, as long as the momentum is bullish, our target is this one. We're still looking at pullback. As explained to my trader, you can see here, price nicely respected at this level. We based on the momentum, beautiful pullback here. As soon as the price hit this level, and price started reversing it, and that's what I explained to my trader, guys, enjoying pipping, and that's why most of my traders really enjoyed it, banking pips. Not only this pair, all of the pairs, most of them really, you can see all of them. You can see we had a beautiful trade on Aussie dollar, because yesterday we had a news RBA rate statement, and after that, basically this is the news reaction. This is what we said, explain to my trader, we have orders in the market, so look for reason for go to short. Because if you look at here, the price developed a triple top, and that's what we explained to my trader. The breakout is performed after the breakout pullback. What happened here, you can see exactly, look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, beautiful, and we just keep enjoying it. You can see a pullback. I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback, beautiful trade. Even if you look at the 4-hour chart on Aussie dollar, if you look at here, explain to my trader, look, the price developed a double top here, this is the low here, and if the price gonna break this level, then we're gonna keep taking a short trade here, and this is the level which is previously respected, and that's our final target, which you can see here, price nicely hit. So you can see, guys, most of the pairs, you can see all of them, Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, dollar Swiss franc, we had a beautiful breakout. Most of them, you can see a beautiful long trade, bank beautiful trades. So most of my traders bank more than 100 pips today, guys, and I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, the best thing, and you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking pips in real time. And the most important thing is developing your trading skill in real-time trading environment through live intraday analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result on this virtual platform, then definitely I can help you to get funded from pro firms. If you are interested how I help my traders through live trading environment through this platform in real time, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description at the below. Myself or one of my professional trader can give you full information how you can be a professional winning trader and bank beautiful pips every single day and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy live pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.